Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn English with Practice. I'm really happy you're here today. I'm Misu.
And I'm Lucas. Hello to all our friends watching and listening from different countries around the world.
Lucas, before we start, how are you feeling today?
Honestly, I'm feeling good. A little tired, but good. How about you?
Same here. And friends, if you're tired, don't worry. English practice doesn't have to be stressful.
Exactly. Today's lesson is relaxed, slow, and practical.
Lucas, did you get my message this morning about today's topic?
Yes, I got it right when I woke up.
Friends, did you hear that? He said got.
That's right. We already used today's word.
Today's word is get.
Just 3 letters, but this word can change your English completely.
If you master get, you will sound more natural, more confident, more fluent.
So today, don't rush. Listen, repeat, and enjoy. Now let's move to one of the most common uses of get.
Get means become. It shows change.
Feelings, situations, conditions.
If you don't eat all day, you get hungry. Practice. I get hungry. Pause.
After work, I get tired. Practice. I get tired after work. Pause.
If it rains and you don't have an umbrella, you get wet. Practice. I get wet in the rain. Pause.
More examples you hear every day. Get sick. Get better. Get angry. Get bored.
Let's practice together. I get sick in winter. Pause. I get better with practice. Pause.
She gets angry when she's stressed. Pause.
It's getting dark outside. Pause.
And the most important sentence for you, together, slow. I am getting better at English every day. Pause. 7 seconds.
Now let's talk about travel and movement. In real English, we often use get instead of arrive. Misu, how do you usually get home? I usually get home by bus around 6 p.m. Repeat. I get home at 6 p.m. Pause. When do you get to work? I get to work at 9. Practice. I get to work at 9. Pause. More examples. When will we get to the hotel? Pause. I finally got to the station. Pause. Very common question. What time did you get here? Pause. Repeat. What time did you get here? Pause. This meaning is very friendly and very common. Get means understand. When something becomes clear, you say, "Oh, I get it now." Practice. I get it now. Pause. If someone explains something again, you can say, I get it, thank you. Practice. I get it, thank you. Pause. If you tell a joke, you can ask, did you get it? Repeat. Did you get it? Pause. Now let's practice very common get phrases. Get up. Leave your bed. I get up at 7. Get ready. Prepare. I get ready for work. Get dressed. Put on clothes. I get dressed quickly. Get along. Have a good relationship. I get along with my coworkers. One very important reminder. Past tense. Get, got. Wrong, I get a message yesterday. Correct, I got a message yesterday. I got a message yesterday. You did an amazing job today. Now your task. Comment below, what time do you get up in the morning? Use get in your sentence. Like, subscribe, and keep practicing with Learn English with Practice. Keep practicing, keep smiling. See you next time. Bye, everyone.